Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today I am so excited because while I was shopping on the Sephora website, or well, just checking things out to see if there was anything I wanted to buy, I came across these things right here. So we have the Sephora Play box, so Play by Sephora, and then we have the Sephora Favorites. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these boxes and see what type of goodies they have in them. I saw these on Sephora and I instantly got my Walmart Favorites vibes. And if you haven't seen that video or don't know what I'm talking about, go and check that out in my videos. I will also link that above for you to click on. This is Sephora's take on those types of boxes. So the first box we're going to take a look at is this one. This is the Play by Sephora box. These boxes are $10. You can choose from multiple boxes, or you can sign up for their monthly subscription program, which again is only $10. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the box that I purchased. Now, with the Play by Sephora boxes, you get 5 trial size products. Now they can be skincare, hair care, or makeup related, but they are the top brands that Sephora does carry. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at what this box entails. So it comes with this little insert that I will let you read when you buy the product. It just kind of lists some different products, how to earn your Sephora VIB points, and so on. So what drew me to these boxes is that you get these nice little trial size products. So if there was something that you wanted to try out but you didn't want to buy the full size, here are some miniature versions of those products that you can, test out, give a try, and see if you possibly would want to purchase the full size products. This is my thing right here. If there is a mini size of something, I will purchase it because of that reason. I am not spending $30, $40, $50 on something when there's a $15 of the same product, and if I don't like it, I don't necessarily feel as bad returning it versus returning, an abundance of very expensive products. So we're gonna go ahead and open this bag and see what kind of goodies are inside. So the first product we have is a Rouge Gel Lip Liner by Sephora Collection. And let's see which shade we got. Oh, this is a nice little nude color. Ooh, I like that. That's pretty. Do you see that? Very pretty. Ooh, I'm gonna try this. And this again is the Sephora Collection, so Sephora's brand, and it is their Rouge Gel Lip Liner. Very pretty. And the next thing we're going to look at, oh, I have one of these already. I just bought, during their VIB sale, I bought the little duo. So this is the Lancome Bifacial Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. And this stuff, let me tell you, it is wonderful. So let's check out this one. This is Ivy Leaf. This is Believe in Truth, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. So clinically proven to retain moisture. Oh, that's cool. It's just a little moisturizer. So we will go ahead and give this a try. Let me see. Let me open it and see what it looks like. Oh, just your typical white moisturizer. It has kind of a really clean scent to it. I like that. So moving on to the next item. This is by Trestique, and it is their mini lip glaze. So let's open this one up and look, what is the color? It says, oh, it's in pink or Paradise. I cannot talk today. Paris Pink is the shade that this is in. So we're going to just go ahead and I will swipe it next to. Oh, very subtle. So this will just give kind of like a little tint to your lips if you're just wanting to have one of those more natural days. I think this is going to be really nice on the lip. It's more almost like a lip glossy kind of feel, but like I said, I think it'll just give your lips like a little bit of color. The next item we have is, oh cool, I wanted to try this. This is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Now I'm really excited to try this. I've been wanting to try this one, but again, I I give myself a budget each month, and then I just don't want to spend the money, you know, sometimes on full-size products. So I don't know if I saw a mini version of this, but I'm glad I got one. So this is it right here. It's just kind of like a little peachy color, and it's a primer, and it turns clear once you rub it into your skin. It does feel real hydrating, so I kind of like that. Does it? Oh, and it does have that peach smell. It is like the best smell ever. I love their, I have the Just Peachy Matte palette that I absolutely love from Too Faced. So I just love the smell of all of that peachy stuff. Moving on to the next one. So this is the final product in this little box, and this is by Sephora as well, or the Sephora brand. And this, if I can get it opened, it looks like it's just like a little lip gel. It is. It's a gel gloss, ultra brilliant, ultra shine lip gel. And does it say this is in perfect nude? Oh, so it'll go with the little lip liner. I have a little lip gel to go with it. As soon as I can get this open, I will show you guys what the heck it looks like. There we go. So there is that right there. And it's nice, a nice little nudie lip gel. So that's gonna look really good, I think, paired with this lip liner. So that was the contents of the Play by Sephora box, and I actually got 6 products here, not 5. So that's kind of a nice little bonus. This is along the lines of Ipsy and Birchbox. Now you can purchase these boxes without purchasing the subscription. That is what I did. I just paid $10 for this box. I didn't sign up for the subscription. There are multiple boxes, and you can check them out online. They have different little trial size or sample size products in here. I think this is really cute. If there is something that catches your eye that you might want to try, go ahead and purchase one of these cute little Play by Sephora boxes. On to the next little bag. This is the Sephora Favorites bag. Now there were multiple Sephora Favorites that you could choose from. I chose the Sunkissed Glow Bronze and Glow Essentials bag. Now, unlike the Play by Sephora box, this is not $10, it is $45, and each of the little Sephora Favorites packages were different price points. This one again was $45. On the little sleeve, it does say that there's a $103 value to this bag of goodies. On the back of the sleeve, it says, must have bronze and glow items for the summer. This kit features a mix of categories, including 2 full-size and 6 deluxe products to achieve the perfect sun-kissed glow. So we are going to go ahead and open this up and check out the little products that it came with. This is just like a plasticky little makeup bag. I mean, there's nothing great about it other than it's holding all these products. A couple products I have been wanting to try, so I'm excited that they're in this bag. So the first product in this bag that I'm going to show you is this one, and I have a feeling that a lot of these products are like highlighting, kind of like put on your body to make yourself just look more sun-kissed and glowy type products versus like actual makeup products. So that's kind of my vibe when reading the back of this little sleeve. The first one we're going to talk about is the Artist Couture, and this is the Diamond Glow Powder in Conceited. So this is exactly kind of what I'm talking about. This would be something that you could put on your shoulders or on your collarbone to kind of make yourself have a more tanned, glowy look. Let's see if I can swatch a little bit of this. I don't know if it's going to show up. I mean, it's kind of like goldish, and it will give you, it's a little powder with shimmery gold flecks in there that again is going to give you that like shimmery kind of glowy summery vibe. The next product we're going to take a look at is this Marc Jacobs highlighter, and this is the Dewdrops Coconut Gel Highlighter in 50 Dew U, and we'll go ahead and there's that. Ooh, that is a very, very pretty highlighter. How gorgeous is that? I like that. So we will definitely be trying that out. The next one up is the Charlotte Tilbury Color Chameleon Champagne Diamonds, and it does say on here for blue eyes. So this is an eyeshadow pencil, and this is so buttery and soft feeling. I love the way it like just kind of glides on the skin. It is right here. I don't know if any of these are going to show up really, but this is absolutely beautiful. This would be a great little eyeshadow topper to give your eyes like a little added spark. It is right here. Can you see that? You can kind of see the shine from that. It's really, really pretty and very, very subtle. So the next product up is the Laura Mercier's Translucent Setting Powder in Glow. So this is the glowy version of her translucent setting powder. Now I use her translucent setting powder all the time. I absolutely love it. I think it is absolutely worth the money. I love the way my makeup looks when I put this powder on. It is one of my absolute favorite setting powders. And this is the glowy version of that setting powder. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. There are some mixed feelings about this. I know some people don't like it. They rather just, you know, stick with the regular old powder. But again, I honestly think that this is just to give yourself an extra like glow up instead of more so setting your makeup with it, you know. So I'm going to put a little bit on my hands, and here it is. I think this product would be good if you are tan and it's for those types of no makeup days where you just kind of want a nice even tone to your skin with maybe a little bit of glow. This would be a good product to put on your skin to achieve that type of look. Moving on to the next product, this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Vanilla Quartz. So this, I believe, is a pressed powder. It is. And let's do a little swipe-a-roo of this. Here's what it looks like. Here is what that looks like. Again, it is a beautiful little highlighting powder. I love the way this looks. I wonder, let me see if I can put a little bit on my cheeks. Ooh, look at that. Can you see that? Ooh, that's nice. I don't want to like overdo it, but that is so pretty. Look at that. That is beautiful. I love that. That is so pretty. It's a beautiful little highlighter. Again, this is in Vanilla Quartz. Oh, one thing I forgot to say, this is one of the full-size versions that was mentioned. There were 2 full-size versions in this little bag. So the Charlotte Tilbury one was the full-size version. And then this is the this one's the next full-size version. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea in Sea Glass. This is a eyeshadow topper. Let's see if I'm gonna switch hands here. So here is what that looks like. It does feel kind of chunky when I was rubbing that on my skin. I'm gonna feel this and see. Yeah, there are a lot of little chunky glitters in there, so be careful putting this on your eye, and when you take it off, be very, very careful taking that off, because I just can see this getting into people's eyes. I don't know, whenever I feel something chunky like that, it makes me nervous, especially when it has to do with like glitter particles. So just be careful removing that. It is gorgeous though. It is absolutely beautiful. So the next product up is this Fenty Beauty product, and this is the Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer in Shady Biz. I'm really excited to have this one. This is actually one of the reasons I bought this bag, because I've wanted to try a Fenty Beauty product, and I have not wanted to spend the money on a full-size product, so I'm glad I got a little sampler size of this bronzer. Let's do a little swatch of it. This does look like a really pretty shade. Oh yeah, it's not too dark. I like that. It's a nice light shade, so we will see how that's going to look on the skin. I'm really excited about that one. The last product we are going to talk about is this one. This is another Sephora brand product, and this is the Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Ultra Shine Lip Gel. And this is in the shade Perfect Nude. So we will go ahead and swipe this product. And it's a beautiful little nude lip glossy shade. See that? It's cute, really cute. So again, that was the Sephora Favorites kit in the Sunkissed Glow. I'm really excited to give these products a try. Would I purchase something like this again? Probably not. But I did want to give this a try and test it out on here for you guys so you could see what these were all about. Now the play boxes, I do think this is a cute idea. If you are into something like Ipsy and Birchbox, this is, you know, right up your alley. Now what makes these boxes a little bit different than like Ipsy and Birchbox is with those types of subscriptions, you are purchasing anywhere between brands that you know to indie brands, where these are just the brands that Sephora carries. So you're only going to get sample products of brands that Sephora carries, which there's nothing wrong with that. If that's what you like, go ahead and give this one a try. I think it was really cool. So that is our video for today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the little notification bell to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!